And we got a 64 Chevy Impala. This is something I would recognize because I didn't even have to look at this sticker, but I did check it anyway, just to double check. But I noticed Chevys. Anyway, it's an SS too. Probably has a 327, I assume. I'm going to say on the side, but it probably does have a 327. Speaker in the rear seat, in the middle there. SS on the panels here. Door panels. Dual antennas in the back. And all the Impalas had 3 lights on each side. Bel Airs had 2 on each side. So, and this thing, I don't know what's running here, but you can see it's a lot more meat on the back and the rear tires. So, could be something beyond stock, or basically, I don't know if it's stock motor built up or what, but tires like that, it's good to hint that something else has been going on under the hood.